Following our visit at Crater Lake National Park, where we hiked to a few of its best peaks for views of a most beautiful lake, we had some downtime near the small community of Westford, Oregon. While there, we began a journey to see some of the most beautiful waterfalls in the state of Oregon. Salt Creek Falls and Diamond Falls were the tip of the iceberg for what lied ahead, which brings us to this video. Silver Falls State Park is considered by many to be the crown jewel of Oregon state parks. Our adventure of the day is to hike the renowned Trail of 10 Falls. We're anxious to get started on another adventure. Good morning. And today we're going to hike what's called the 10 Falls Trail. Yeah, you heard me right. There are 10 waterfalls on this trail. It's, I think it's about 7.5 miles, and we can't wait to check it out. You know, we came from a beautiful area where we saw a gorgeous waterfall, the Salt Creek Fall, and these may not be quite as spectacular as that, but from what we can tell, there are some beautiful falls on this hike. So we're looking forward to it, and we're excited to show it to you. Well, that's fall number one. South Falls?
Yes.
What it's called? My goodness, it's going to be hard to beat that one. Well, we got to keep going. Got to hit the trail. We got 9 more to go. Get to walk behind another one. Waterfall number 2, Lower South Falls. Beautiful. That's not part of the trail, but we thought it might be fun to try. Waterfall number 3, Lower North Falls. Not quite as spectacular, but beautiful.
Sounds peaceful.
Yes, it does. we dive off the main trail here, take a little spur trail back to Double Falls. That sign's kind of rotted, but it does say 178 feet, so I'm sure that's in reference to Double Falls. You can see the very top up there, and then a big drop off. Waterfall number 4, Double Falls. Beautiful. Number 5, Drake Falls.
We're halfway done.
Yep, it's just a baby.
It is.
It hadn't grown up yet.
It's only like 27 feet.
Equally as beautiful as the falls is the trail itself. It's just awesome. It's so lush and green. Just beautiful and not too hard to walk. I mean, it's got a little bit of elevation change to it, but the trail is pretty maintained and in good shape. All right, we're coming up on number 6, Middle North Falls. Let's go take a look at it. Water trickle number 7. This is Winter Falls, and there's not a whole lot of water coming off the top. But hey, it's got a beautiful sound at least. This one was hard to get this viewpoint. Waterfall number 8, Twin Falls. Okay, we're approaching waterfall number 9, North Falls. Let's get a closer look at it. How neat is this? Walking in this huge alcove or cave, whatever you want to call it. Wow, this is just spectacular. Well, we've made it to number 10, Upper North Falls. Let's go take a closer look at it. On our way walking back on the rim trail, we got another view of North Falls. That is interesting how that tree has wrapped its roots around that deadfall there. Wow. Really cool. We made it back to the parking lot. We took just under 5 hours to do that hike, and I know you can do it quicker, but yeah, when you want to really enjoy what you're seeing, you just take some pauses and, you know, get some pictures and videos, and yeah, it's just beautiful. I don't know if there's a better waterfall trail in America. I'm gonna get home and I'm just gonna type into Google, what's the best waterfall hike in America, and see if this one comes up.
Yeah, because you get to see 10.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was pretty special. We talked about which ones we liked the best, and we kind of have a tie. We liked the first one, which was called, so I don't forget, South Falls.
Yeah, South Falls was the first one we came to, and I think that one may have been the tallest that we saw. And then the 9th fall was also spectacular, North Falls. So I think those were my two favorite, South Falls and North Falls.
Yep.
Yeah, beautiful. But yeah, if you're ever, you know, in Oregon, in the Portland area, I'd highly recommend you come out and check out this state park. It's just beautiful. And then the walk back, that rim trail had some beautiful trees. 90% sure they were Douglas firs, and boy, some of them were just huge.
Yeah, they were.
Yeah. So anyways, yeah, great hike, and lots of fun, and hope you enjoyed it. And we're going to go ahead and head back to the RV and relax this afternoon, and yeah, get ready for our next adventure. Again, we appreciate you guys following us. We hope you enjoyed today's hike, and we'll be talking to you soon. Take care, everybody.